Hey guys, what's up? Joe Paris here. Now that you bought some Bitcoin, maybe you want to send it to a family member, a friend, maybe you want to just like actually purchase something. Let me show you exactly how to do that. So I'm on Coinbase right now, and you can see in my wallet, I have $53.40. Let me send myself $15 to my Gemini account. So if I click on this send button, and actually, you know what? I'll send a little bit more. What it's going to ask is for a Bitcoin address. Okay, so I need to go to my Gemini account, which I'm going to go to in a second, get a receive address. Okay, it's going to be a bunch of different numbers here and letters, and you'll see they're capitalized, they're all over the place, and I'm going to copy that in there. From there, I'm going to move, again, probably let's say $20 worth. That's how much $20 worth of Bitcoin is. There's going to be a small networking fee. Doesn't look like there's one right there right now. And then that's because I haven't put in the address. I'm going to click continue, and then it'll send it away. It literally is that simple. There'll be some sort of transaction fee for doing this. It should be pretty minimal. Also, too, though, you'll have to verify your account and confirm that you actually want to send this. But let's go ahead now to my Gemini account, and I'm going to show you how to get a receive address and how easy that is. Okay, so here I am on my Gemini account. I'm going to click sign in, and I now want to transfer funds, right? So I want to deposit into this exchange. So I'm going to be depositing with Bitcoins. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And as you can see right now, my wallet has just $5 in it. So if I go back to the home page, my Bitcoin wallet or account value is at 535. So again, if I go to transfer funds, I want to deposit with Bitcoin. It's going to put it in this wallet. Now it says your most recent deposit address. This is the address that I'm talking about. Now I'm actually going to generate a new one for our little transaction here. As you can see, the QR code moved here. And all you then do is you click on this, okay? And you want to copy this address into where you're going to be sending your Bitcoin. So let me go back now to Coinbase. And you can see here it says enter a Bitcoin address. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. It gives you this nice little green check mark. I'm going to be sending $20. Okay, so there is like a $3.90 fee here. Again, it's a little obnoxious, but for our demonstrations purposes for this course, it's worth it. I can write an optional message if I want to, but here we go. Let's give it a try. I'm going to go ahead, and what's really important is that you make sure, though, before I go ahead and do this, and they'll like make sure that you verify that you really want to send this amount and everything else. Make sure this address is the same one that is you're seeing here. So 15SM8M. If I go back here, 15SM8M. Okay, and then I can kind of just, again, I don't have to read every single one of these numbers, but if I go back here, the last four, QT, capital C, looks like there's a 3D in there. Okay, 3D, capital C. Okay, it gives me that check mark. I copied it in there. I'm very confident that this is the address, so we're going to go ahead and click continue. Now, it's going to ask me for a two-step verification process. I'm going to go ahead and type in using my SMS, which they just sent me a message. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in there, and then I'm going to confirm this transaction. Okay, so I found the SMS code that they gave me. Yours is going to be different. They automatically generate new numbers here. But once you do that, go ahead and click confirm. And it says now your transaction is on the way. You send 0.00182 Bitcoin, $20 to an external address. So if I want to view the details, I can go ahead and click on that. You're going to have to wait for a few confirmations. There was a Bitcoin fee, which was at $3. So the total amount was $23.91. And then this Bitcoin now is going to take, as you can see, it's pending a little bit of time to end up in my Gemini account. Now, once I go back to my Gemini account, though, the account value right now is still at $5.34. So we're going to have to wait a little bit. It does take some time. It doesn't take that long, though. In my experience, it doesn't take more than an hour or two. And with the average time being when you send your Bitcoin to get it received is right at like 15 or 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the film here, though, because it doesn't make sense to just like watch us wait for this to come in for 20 minutes. And I'm going to show you my account as soon as it hits, and I'll show you the transaction. Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Paris here. Our transaction has come through. So now you can see here, it says transaction summary, everything else. When it was mined, which was today, which was December 2nd. And now I'm going to show you that it's in my Gemini account. Right here, it says my account value is approximately 2656. And this is how many Bitcoin I now have in my account. So you can see that it did come through. It took a little bit longer this time, but sometimes that happens. And well, it is what it is. So just wanted to share that with you and show you how easy it is to move Bitcoin around, especially when you have two wallets like I do with the wallet that we transferred it from, which was Coinbase, and then I just transferred it to my Gemini wallet. And I look forward to showing you a few more things in this course to help you buy your very first Bitcoins, how to move your Bitcoin around, and then hopefully as well, and to continue to invest in this amazing cryptocurrency. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate all of your support. If you really have enjoyed this course, make sure to leave it a positive review. We always appreciate your positive reviews in this course.